Tapestry? What is Tapestry? In this video today, I'm gonna go over what it is and how you can make money with it. If you don't know me well, my name is Steph Parisi, and usually I hop online and I talk social media strategies to help business owners grow their influence and profits online. But I'm being a bit rebellious today, changing things up, and I'm gonna share my opinion and review on the app called Tapestry. So answer me this, how many apps do you have on your phone right now? I don't know about you, but I have 100 on the dot. I counted the other day. When I was prepping for this, and I was like, wow, I have 100 apps. Let me know in the comments how many you have. So my next question is how many of those apps pay you? Do you have any? I don't have any that pay me, and that's about to change. Meet Tapestry. What is it? Tapestry is an app that pays you for the data that you're already giving away for free. Tapestry says it's your data. You should be paid for it. It's an app that when you download it and install it, it just runs in the background. You don't even have to open it up, and it's going to pay you up to $25 a month for your data. Pretty cool, huh? It gets even cooler when you hear about the bonus program, which I'm gonna be talking about, so stick around. But first, if you're not aware, we're giving away data that's on our phones every single day, but we're giving it away for free. Let me explain. If you've seen the movie The Social Dilemma, you probably already know what I'm talking about. That Netflix documentary talks about the fact that if you have a free app on your phone means that you're the product. These apps collect data and then they sell it. Most of the time, we aren't even aware that we're giving our consent. Like it's hidden deep into the terms and conditions of the app, or it's just written into the coding and they totally don't even tell you. Maybe you read the terms and conditions on every single thing you sign up for and download, or maybe you're like me who just like scrolls through it, checks the box and hits submit for things that I want to buy or add to my phone. Be it Facebook, Instagram, a cool game app that you have on your phone. I know my husband loves to play games on his phone. Maybe it's a weather app, maps, a cool turn your face into a Disney princess app, you name it. These free apps collect data and then use it for advertising and marketing purposes. I was just the other day looking for a new swimsuit. It's summer here and it's just like, hey, I've lost baby weight. My youngest is 2 now, and so I was like, okay, it's time to get a new swimsuit. And so I Googled swimsuit. Well, guess what? Within minutes, my newsfeed was filled with swimsuit ads. So we're kind of aware that this is going on in the background, but maybe not as aware as we should be. And that's where Tapestry enters the scene and says, hey, we want to disrupt this industry. We want to actually be transparent about what's going on. Why don't we just go to the consumer directly and say, hey, this is what's valuable to us and we'll pay you for it. You've already been giving it away for free, but now you can make some money from it. So when you download the app, you can just set it up and let it run and you don't have to do anything and you can just earn up to $25 a month. Or you can actually go into it, interact with it, switch things on and off, however you want. Will that affect your earnings? Yeah, sure, but you have control. And that's what Tapestry wants to do. It wants to put the control back in your hands. And it also gives you the opportunity to earn even more money. Let's talk about it. So I'm doing this review because I became an affiliate for the app. And if you're like, what's an affiliate? Don't worry, I just like to refer to it as the bonus program because that's what it is. It's just an optional bonus that you can do if you want to make more money. So once the app is available, it'll be in the App Store and anyone can download it as a free user. Remember, they're taking your data and they're selling it and they're giving you money for it. But that's what other free apps on your phone are already doing. They're just not paying you for it. Depending on when you're watching this video, you might need a referral link to grab the app. Again, free. So if you need that, check out the pinned comments of this video and I'll also put it in the description. So as a free user, you now have the Tapestry app on your phone. So for your data, it's gonna give you up to $25 a month. But you can also be like, hey, I wanna tell a friend. It's simple. Who doesn't just wanna say, hey, do you have the free app on your phone that pays you? And a friend will be like, no, I don't. What is it? Tell me. And so you can tell a friend, and when you tell a friend, you earn $1 a month for each friend you tell. So if you tell 2 friends, you now are earning $2 a month. If you tell 10 friends, you earn $10 a month from those friends. Pretty cool, right? And that's like the totally free option. You don't have to buy anything or do anything to earn that amount of money. You're going to continue to make that money every single month. Talk about really cool passive income. But it does get even sweeter. Let me explain. The bonus program.
What happened to the app?
Every time you drive by,
I hate
Every time
that.
you drive by an
Just try
empty or
to
abandoned mall,
explain.
start visualizing
Come on, let me
King Kong
try to
signs
skip that, okay?
as dollar signs. As out of the ashes of all these mall
Skip
closures,
it.
a truly
Okay.
unprecedented
Oh, I
opportunity
already
is
skipped
rising.
it. So, go ahead. Okay.
Bonus program, you're going to earn all the money from your data, okay? In the center, you're going to earn $1 a month from each of the friends that you told, but you're also going to earn $1 a month from your friends' referrals. So
You
say
see how
one
much
of
money
these
you can earn in this thing? If you refer like 100 people, you're $100. 200 people, $200. But there's more money you can make if you become an affiliate. Let's go ahead.
10 people decides, hey, I want to refer 10 people. Well, now you not only get the dollar from that person, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you earn $1 a month from each of your friends' friends. So it's a 2-tiered referral program. So you start doing the math and, you know, this person, they might not tell anyone, but the next person, well, they have a pretty big network. So they're not going to refer just 10 people. What if they refer 50 people? You're going to earn in the bonus program $1 for each of those people. So you can see how this starts to get really exciting. These are all just free users, just people that want to download an app on their phone and make up to $25 a month on the data that they're already giving away for free. If you've ever heard the phrase, it's not who you know, it's who your friends know. I don't know if there's ever been a more true statement, especially when it comes to Tapestry and its bonus program. If you're like, Steph, I've heard enough, I'm in, I would say great. There's a link in the description and comments of this video where you can go and you can join. So in the bonus program, you're not just earning money off of your data and $1 on your referrals, you're earning an additional $1 on all of their referrals. Pretty cool. And it can really expand and multiply because this continues on month after month after month. As long as people just have the app on their phone and using it. And like I said at the beginning, I have 100 apps on my phone that are just sitting there. Some I haven't opened in weeks. To be a part of the bonus program or the affiliate program, it's $9.95 a month. Which, if you again saw with the math, you're going to make that up really,
You don't have to
quickly.
pay the $9 if you want to. If you want to make more money, that's just what I'm saying. If you want to make more money, you can pay that $9, okay? But you don't have to.
You're lucky in watching this video before the app has launched. It's only $9.95 to become an affiliate.
I'm saying you the
entire
app
year.
already launched already. So I have mine, okay? I have mine. And if you want to sign up, please do. I'm going to send you the link below and you can sign up, okay?
That's right. They're calling it the Founding Member Special, and it's for the people who have vision. The app isn't even out there, but you see what this could be, and you're like, hey, I want a piece of that pie, and I'm going to tell other people about this app because it's going to benefit them. And like we talked about already, it's all about a company being very transparent with what it's doing and put the power back in the consumer's hand, saying, hey, it's your data. You should be paid for it. If you want in on the bonus program, check out my
Okay,
links
that's
in the
it.
pinned comment.
This lady explained everything. So sign up, make some money, okay? Call me at 781-420-1886. My name is Justin, okay? I just met you, okay? Take care. Take it easy. Have a nice day.